Okay. As per request, some of you are up to the second website design treble and you're struggling, and I know it's hard. So, Kelsey and Angel, what they did is I worked with both of them individually, and here are examples of the website, the treble website. You can click it and see it. Let's just click on one and check one example of it. All right, this one is one example of the treble website for what you could do with content. All right, and this is a real live website. Okay. So you see how it looks. You could propagate information. You're doing a restaurant menu. You are not doing cesspools. Okay. So this is a sample of what it could look like and how you can edit and change everything and make it malleable. All right. So with that said, that is the Treble website. You go to files to download this template theme. You go to web design themes, but don't this time. Only time you don't go into web design themes, you're not downloading Treble or Flipper. You're downloading all the other ones, yes, just not Treble here. Here's where you're downloading Treble. Oh, sorry. Went back to old teams. I always do that. I can't stand that. Hold on. So instead of downloading web design themes, I'm going in here rather, you're going to click on Kelsey Assistance and download her file. What that does is this. I put it right here. It's on my desktop actually, and I put it right here. So if I put Kelsey Assistance in here, basically when you go to the index file and you launch, I set up the things for you that needed to be there because it's not your fault for you to bridge the gap to have the images open. So here's the layout, here's the theme, nothing is here. These are all ready for you to go, but I propagated just one with a clock, sorry. Here it is. So there it is. This all here is, this is a hidden page. A lot of you don't know that. A lot of you struggle with that in the beginning, and I get it. Here it is. Here's the thing. You're stuck here. It's called index, right? You're always used to that one page default thing. Yeah, because that was your first website with me. I gave you a one pager. Why? To get your feet wet. All right. Now I'm kind of throwing you in the pool. So, sorry, why is it doing that? All right. With that said, we're going to launch this, and this is what it looks like. Fine. Great. There it is. And there's your image. Okay, great. Now, your job to understand, Reese, how come when I come here, I can't find this? Where is this? It's nowhere to be found. That's what everyone says, okay? And I get it. That's because you don't know how to think to go into other files, because this is a multi-pager now. It's a portfolio, all right? And that is actually, I'm sorry, it's under pages. Under pages is portfolio, all right? Which I uncollapsed. Now I collapsed it. Project 1. And this is what I did for, this is what you didn't need to know. This is useless. It's just a matter of formatting it. It has nothing to do with true knowledge. It was just a matter of training you to put this slash here before that. You'd have never known that, and there's no reflection of your intelligence. So what I did is I put that exact information. If you go into Teams, Kelsey and Angel, you guys are both doing this. Come on. You guys are both up to that. So I made a post for both of you guys to connect with each other, please. And, I tagged you both so that this is the script that I just explained to you. Pages, portfolio, big, entree, one. Now, one of you is Ecuadorian and the other one of you is from Spain. So I'm looking forward to two really great meals and entrees, and I love culture. I think this is, I started out when I showed Angel, I did an antipasto, and Kelsey, I showed you it, I changed it with a clock. This was a big, beautiful antipasto lived here with olives and everything, and you see it here. But it was a bigger thumbnail, which I'm kind of disappointed. But here's the thing. Should you guys need me for anything with this script, it's right here. I have exactly what I just said put on Teams. So look, I have the theme as well. Everything here I can email you, and there's no problems. So should there be any gaps I need to bridge, just tell me. By the way, when you roll over this, it won't preview it for you. It's that annoying. You have to script it yourself. .jpeg, and the folder's already set for you. You don't have to really do anything, but just name the JPEG itself. That's it. Okay, should you guys need me for anything, just let me know. I tried to keep this video under 5 minutes, which I think I did, and I'm impressed. So, all right, that's it. Here's your index. Here's what it's going to be. Oopsie. There it is. Bam. Thank you.